Hi there, and today we're going to have a Squarespace aspect ratio tutorial. So an aspect ratio is the proportional relationship of your image's width and height. So essentially it controls the shape of your image. So the aspect ratio applies to all of the image right here in your Squarespace website. So from here, I will go to my website editor. So just click website, then click edit, and then we are here. So for example, I will add an image block right here like this, and I'll just change its size, for example, like that. And then I will use a stock image. So now I have my image block right here with an image. So right now the aspect ratio is like this. So if I change the block, so the aspect ratio will automatically adjust according to the size of my image block. So this is because the settings is set to fit the block right here. So it fits the whole image inside the image block. So if you don't want to do that, you can change it by clicking fill. So by clicking fill, it will enlarge the image so that it occupies all of the image block right here and doesn't leave any space. Another option is that you can use shape, so that you can use shapes like this to modify your image. And then your shapes also has different types. You have a 1-to-1 aspect ratio. You can have 2/3 of the aspect ratio, or 3 and 2. So like this. So it depends on your preference. So the 3/2 is like this. So it is more horizontal, while the 2/3 is more vertical. So just choose what you prefer and then go ahead and choose the shape that you want to use. And then you can also do this to all of your elements right here that has an image. So for example, this gallery, I can click edit section, and then if it doesn't have the aspect ratio option right here, what you can do is that you can edit the aspect ratio of the image individually. So from here, you can click edit gallery, click edit image, and then go right here to crop. And then you can go ahead and adjust the aspect ratio of the image according to your preference. So as you can see, we have 2/3, 3/2, 3/4, 4/3, 4/5, 5/4, 9/16, and then 16:9. So just go ahead and choose your preferred aspect ratio. And then let's go back. You can also do this to your shop. So for example, I'll go to my shop page. So I'll just save this for now. Exit, go to pages, and then go to shop, and then click edit. So we can edit the section, scroll down, and then we can see aspect ratio right here. So right now we have the standard aspect ratio, which is 3/2. So this applies to all of the items right here in the shop. So we can change this. So I'm sorry, we are not in the shop page. We are in the blog page. So you can still do the same thing. So right now the blog page has the images with the 3/2 standard. So you can change this to 2/3, which is a vertical look, or a 1-to-1, which is a square look, or a 4/3, 3/4, 16:9, and then ultra widescreen. So it just depends on your preference. So just choose your preferred aspect ratio. And then same thing applies when we go to the shop page. So right now we are in the blog page. So let's choose shop. And then we are in the shop page with different products right here. So just click edit section, go to design, Then you can go ahead and adjust the aspect ratio for your product images right here. And then they will be applied. And then that's basically it. So that is how we can modify the aspect ratio according to our preference so that our images look more appealing to our users. And then that is it. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.